We're here at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2019 Harley-Davidson Iron 1200. This one is white and it has that nice blue detailing on the tank. And everything else is blacked out. Engine and exhaust. The seat's really comfortable, and so is the angle of the handlebars that we've got going on too. And this bike is also equipped with ABS. We're keyless, we run on a fob right here. And miles are really low. We are at 6,399. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.